This is a long-term follow-up of the washer fluid level sensor and the corrosion associated with this. I replaced this sensor approximately 7 months ago. As of now, there's nothing leaking out of the sensor assembly. I will show you what the inside looks like, and it doesn't appear like there's any corrosion in there, and that appears to be clean right there. Okay, we're gonna pull the sensor out, and I'm gonna make a big mess, so I've just reconnected it. Yep, and there we go. Well, unfortunately, it appears that there's significant corrosion again on this sensor. I really have no idea what's going on here. Interestingly, it seems to be associated with the one tine, the lower tine, and I wonder if there's some sort of current or electrolysis kind of issue going on. So I cleaned up the sensor, and the one tine appears essentially brand new and the other one is completely gone. If I had to guess, there is probably some sort of current running through this or ground or some sort of problem that's causing some limited current to run through the circuit, and it's going specifically to this tine right here. That is the same tine that was eroded away on the old sensor. So I am flushing out the reservoir to the washer fluid. You can remove the pump from the lower portion of the washer reservoir, and that'll allow fluid to drain out of there. A little silicone grease on the opening right here, the rubber connector seal, and on the opening to the water pump will help this just pop right back in. Just give it kind of a gentle kind of nudge and a little bit of twisting, and there you go. I actually ordered multiple sensors just in case I had to investigate this problem further. So what I'm going to use is this sensor is just going to be a plug. I'm just simply just going to put it in here. I put a little bit of silicone lubricant on here. Just going to twist this sucker in, and there we go. And I'm going to leave that unplugged. I took the old electrical connector that I'm not going to plug in, and I just wrapped it in a little bag and put like a little bread tie around it. You could probably use a rubber band. I'm just going to stick it up out of the way right here, just so it's not rattling around, and also so that water doesn't accumulate in the neck of the bag. And I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave this side open, and we're going to see what happens. I'll check back in another few months and see if there's any erosion of the tines on the sensor, and we'll go from there.